Alright, I'm going to be pulling up Outlook right now to make a calendar event. I will go to the calendar. I'm going to click on February 20th, double click, because that's what I want my event to be on. I'm going to title it Annie's First Birthday. It's going to be for the date of the 20th. Location. My address. Don't want it to be all day. I'm going to make a time. It's going to start at 4:30 p.m. and it is going to last until 8 o'clock. I also need to attach a file. So I'm going to insert file, browse this PC, and I'm going to attach a picture of Annie. And I'm also going to add a note. And I'm going to save and close it. I'm going to minimize Outlook. Now I'm going to pull up Gmail. I'm going to pull up the calendar. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to create event, add title, Annie's first birthday, February 20th, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. I think I did 4:30. Yep, I'm just going to do the same thing. Add location, 397, 97 Highway, 741, ARNAU. I need to attach a document. I'm going to attach an image of us with Annie. If I can find one easy peasy. Pictures, Annie, open. taking a little minute for the document to upload. Alright, and I'm going to add a note. Come and celebrate with us. Time, date, title, location, attachment, note, and I'm going to save it. And that is that. Now I'm going to go back to Outlook now. Go to Mail. I'm going to move this email to other folder. I'm going to move it to the archive folder. So now I moved it to there. Gonna see, yep, and it is right there. Alright, I'm gonna go back to inbox. Going to double click on one. Actually, I'm going to go back. I'm going to make a new email to Brody. Just creating an email to be able to show you how I delay delivery to be able to send it later. Do not deliver before I'm gonna put the 9th. At 10 a.m. Close. And then I'm going to hit send. Oh. Did not realize that I put this in the CC when it was supposed to be a subject line. And I'm going to hit send. And if you notice, it's going to go to the outbox because it's not going to go through until the 9th for send later. And then you also want us to show how to snooze. Honestly, I'm struggling with finding the snooze on my Outlook. I did all the research, everything that I've looked up on how to snooze. It says that I'm supposed to be able to just right click on the message, and when you right click, there should be a snooze option, and I'm not coming across any snooze option when I right click. And there's even on other ones, like when you double click and looking at the message, like actually select the message to pull up. There was a little clock set up on the top bars right here on the toolbars, and I am not coming across that clock at all on any of my stuff. Oh, that's not gonna work. I'm not sure if I just don't have the right setup. Let's see, more commands. Let's see if we're not having one. See, and it looks like they're all like in. Well, seeing I'm just not coming across one. There's no snooze.